flirty, she's girlish, she's got sass. Hi guys, I'm Z and welcome back to my channel. So I was bored shopping online, doing what I do. I'm a shopper. It is only a small, minute, insignificant. But I was shopping on Shein and I came across this little ditty right here. It's basically just like a sheer dress kind of thing. She's long sleeve, she's got polka dots, she's sheer, quite long actually. And I was thinking to myself, okay, first off, I never go on a website and just get one thing because I hate shipping. So normally I like spend a whole bunch of money for free shipping. I didn't do that this time. We are growing up, okay? Adulting. I'm finally getting there. No, but for real. So I just picked this up from Shein and I kind of wanted to try it out. She's like, how could I style that? Could I find anything cool to style it with? What can I do with it? And I kind of just wanted to get it, experiment, try some new things, and that's what this video is all about. Me experimenting with this little ditty. Anywho. But yeah, no, I kind of just wanted to play around, have some fun, and do something to stop being so bored and blowing money. Anywho, if you're into these kind of videos, definitely give this one a big thumbs up. Keep on watching to see what I created. And let's be fashion friends. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. It's official. I like this one the most. Yep. So I took a simple cow dress. I'm pretty sure they're based off of they're kind of similar to black mauve. Not same quality as like a black mauve dress or anything, but it's just like similar cut and style. Paired it with this little belt to cinch in the waist to give us some kind of dimension. And paired with these cutesy little heels I got. Got them on Amazon. Actually, I got the cow dress from Amazon too. But yeah, it's a look. I think this is actually the first time we buttoned it all the way from the top to the bottom down. And I'm here for it. She's flirty, she's girlish, she's got sass. Yeah. But yeah. But again, yeah, no, I like this one. This one's really cute. And you know, this little collar going on. She cute. Okay. Okay, fashion friends. I'm not so sure about this one. It was a cute idea in my brain, but in real life, it's a little questionable. So I just paired white tank tops and plain white shorts and then my demonias. It gives me alt vibes, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling this one. But you know, you win some, you lose some, you try something new and you figure out whether you like it or not. And this one, alright. Okay, I'm totally here for this one. So I put this little pinafore kind of overall dress over it, and then just like a little bralette for a little pop of color. I paired it with these Killstar wedge platform booties, but I don't know, I really like the way it looks. She gives you like that sheer-esque over here, and like how many times can I say like in a sentence? But and the little tulle escaping from the bottom. It's very alternative, but I'm living for this. I like how it adds this little frilly at the bottom. I feel cute. I feel like I could take on an army of vampires or something. I don't know. But, yeah. So I did with this one. On to another look. Yeah. So I threw on a bodycon dress. Just put this over. I kind of like wearing it over this dress, just like a duster or a cardigan, however you want to call it. But, how many times can I say, oh, I'm in a video? Oh, goodness. So, but at the same time, you can always button it and all the way down or all the way up, make it a whole thing. I don't know, it just adds something else on top of like a simple bodycon dress. It gives you some layers and sass because it's sheer, a little peekaboo moment, you know. That's what it is. I'm just having some fun here, trying some things, which is kind of what this whole entire video is all about. Just, you know, trying something new with fashion. Who knows whether it works or whether it doesn't, but at least we're having fun, and that's what matters. Alright, but you know, I like this one. Okay, so those are the looks I came up with. I hope you guys liked them. I don't know, it was kind of just something fun for me, really. I just wanted to try some new things, experiment, and, you know, just get out of my comfort zone. A lot of times I try not to wear the same old, but I end up doing so. So I really took this piece, which was the only new thing I actually had, and then just other pieces I already had in my wardrobe, and kind of tried to mix and match and play around with things. Some of them I think worked, some of them might not have worked as well as I was hoping as it did in my brain, I guess. I don't know, but it was fun for me, so I hope it was fun for you guys, and I really hope you stay for my next video. You know, let's be fashion friends. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you liked what I came up with. Comment down below how you would have paired some of those outfits or any outfit inspirations that you guys have. You know, let's be a cool community sharing fashion tips and trends and trying new things. And as always, be bold, bright, and beautiful, and most importantly, be yourself. And that's all I got, so bye!